cannot do it.
I got it on I shook. Right.
Yes.
Yes.
Shit, I'm up. Did you choke? Shit, Happy, did you open your eyes?
You did not.
Happy, hold yourself straight. Let it. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you are cool. Okay. Welcome to my channel once again. I have my little one here. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
And what's So, what's your name?
My name is Happiness.
Happiness. Itongma. So guys, today we are going to play a game, blindfolded game, and we have our egg here. I'm going to pour the egg in the tray, and then we are going to blindfold ourselves. And then this is our fork. Brent, come and show. This is our fork. I'll pour the egg here in this tray, and then we are going to pick the egg and eat. So let's go. I'm going to blindfold this Molly so that she will not cheat. No cheating. No cheating.
You give me my phone.
Okay. Let's be like that first. This one is small. So take your fork. Okay.
What of if I stand up?
You can anyhow you want to do it, but don't do like this so that you not feel the egg. It's like this. Come.
If I do like this.
I'm not going to pour all the egg with 3. Sorry guys. So I'll put 3.
Jesus.
Maybe I should put.
Don't put
If I put 2, you look for it and get tired.
Jesus. Blame.
Oh yeah. Can you see?
No.
Okay. Let me cover my own. Bright, any cheating? Tell us. Where's my phone? Okay, let me carry my phone. Yeah. Come on, back.
This time.
So, guys. Happy. Where is the tray? Happy.
Yes.
Don't cheat.
I will not cheat.
Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, go.
Easy.
Hold the fork straight.
Okay.
Right, no cheating. Oh.
Yeah.
Check what Happy is doing.
Hey. Nobody would choose this egg. No place.
I'm touched it.
The thing is also when I touch. I cannot do it.
I got it your hand and shook. Red.
I touch.
Red.
Yes.
Yes.
Shift and cup. Did you choke?
No.
Jesus. Happy, did you open your eyes?
You did not open.
Yes. Happy, did you open your eyes?
Happy.
Jesus. But I'm choking something.
Yeah, chicken and the egg is scattered.
Oh, hey, what are you doing me like this? Happy, did you open your eyes?
Happy did
If
not
I
open.
catch you, if I catch you, open your eyes. Jesus. See the way she even relax and eat. Jesus.
allow me to do it.
Where's her face?
I'm not good. Hey.
The happiness.
Right, I'm talking inside that too. Are you standing or you're squatting down?
I'm squatting. You have it.
What did you say?
I don't have it.
Woo! Woo! Right.
Yes.
What did I choke?
Hey, say it.
Happy, where are you?
See me here.
Grab and sit here, don't cheat. Sit
I'm not
here.
eating. I will not wish you.
Jesus.
Yeah.
This egg is wicked though. Yeah.
The other has fall. One fall.
Mm.
Eh?
Mm.
Jesus.
One egg fall down.
Mm.
Jesus.
No, that one.
How come the egg fall? So is there egg in the tray?
Mm.
Oh. I don't suffer, I don't be small.
No, please, no, no. I want me to remove this thing.
I don't remove it.
Because I see you laughing and
You see me? How do you see me? That means you open your eye.
oh, that's good. I've moved my own. I mean, I've moved my own.
Guys, this girl can cheat.
I'm not cheating.
How did you choose that egg? Where's the one that fell down?
Sit there.
Happy is a cheater.
No.
It was 3 eggs. How come it's only okay? One is here.
What is wrong? Like, you smart my hear your voice.
Hope you guys enjoyed the game. Don't worry. We're going to come back with another game, another interesting game. Stay tuned. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mm.
Your head is too.
Mm? This girl, eh? It's really like a tattoo. Oh yeah. It's okay.